I got 2 penalty points a few years ago while I was a TD. I paid the fine. I took the penalty points onto my licence. They're gone now because there's a period of time when they stay in your licence and then they go. I never particularly felt any reason to disclose that because lots of citizens have penalty points for various reasons. But I don't see why Ming Flanagan should drag the rest of us down into what is a morass of his own making. And I don't think it's right to either say that somehow or other politicians are all the same, or public servants, or people who work for county councils, or Gardaí, or somehow or other protecting people who are in positions of power in society. There may be some who are doing that. There may be some politicians who had their penalty points written off in a way that they shouldn't have. But I don't have any sympathy whatsoever for Ming Flanagan. I think he should have taken the penalty points, and I think the way he's behaving now is pretty despicable and hypocritical.